Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Kamal Nasrullah from class 12 Mechanical Engineering. I will explain the text of the report on sharpening grinding machines. There are many components in this machine, such as 1. On-off button. On-off button serves to turn on and turn off the engine. 2. Protective mica. Protective mica is part the functions to protect the edge from residual splash that cause the grinding stone to collide with the workpiece when the grinding machine is operating. 3. Electromotor. The electromotor is the main driving grinding in the bench grinding machines. 4. Grinding stone. Grinding stone is part of the bench grinding machine with functions for grinding stone. Functions for grinding. 5. Grinding stone shaft. The shaft or grinding stone holder on a step grinding machine is a quality the shaft of the electromotor which is extended or widened out. Okay, it's a component of a sharpening grinding machine. Then I will the meaning of grinding bench grinding. A bench grinding machine is a type of power tool that functions to hunt or sharpening cutting tools. Among the types of cutting tools then that can be sharpened by a bench grinding machine include lead chisels, scarp chisels, drill bits, and other cutting tools. The functions of a bench grinding machine include forming metal as needed and removing metal mold result bram. The way a bench grinding machine work is the same as a hand grinding machine, namely the grinding stone rotates then with an object and erosion occurs. In using a bench grinding machine, we must know the parts and understand the functions of each part so that errors do not occur in its operation. Below, we will explain what parts are in bench grinding machines and their functions. Okay, everyone, that's to the text of my report about sharpening grinder. Thank you all. That's all for me. I close the video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.